So here's something that you do not want to do to your vintage amplifier, or if you're deciding to build an amplifier. And what is that? These sockets. Do not use these sockets. These are the Chinese replacements for the Fenders. Yes, they do drop in from the top and screw in just like the originals, but these have a high failure rate. I'm going to close up on the sockets and I'm going to show you what that failure is. So appearance wise, these sockets look nice, but they have a major flaw, and that is the material they used for the female pins in these sockets. In a short period of time, they spread, you lose tension, and you lose connection to the pin of your tube, which can cause red plating. This is a little gauge I use. This is a pin off of a tube. I simply put these in the socket holes and check tension. So you can see that one's okay. That one's kind of okay. Good, 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 bad. You see there? It just falls in the hole. How about the other one? Look at there. Same pin. That's pin 2, which is one of your filament pins. So in this case, you would have intermittent operation of the filaments of your output tubes. If that were to happen to be pin 5, you'd lose grid voltage, meaning you'd lose your negative bias and you'd smoke those expensive output tubes. Alright, one note for your reference, these sockets were just installed on this amp. The tubes have only been inserted and removed one time. This is not a long-term deal. This happened in a very short period of time, meaning you're putting a failure mode into your amp that you don't want. So what is the answer? Because the original Fender top mount sockets are extremely expensive and difficult to locate. Well, what I do is I take these old stock bottom mount Cinch sockets. I have to open the hole approximately 0.1 inches, and these will mount right in. The screw holes have the same spacing, so they'll bolt right in and look original. And then this amp is good for another 30 years of service.